run in an NGO called Lara Guide-Dog School, which trains and provides guide dogs free of charge. The situation in Greek streets is very, very bad. I was bumping in obstacles all the time. Lara made my life brighter. The change in my life was so radically that I decided that I had to do something so that other people receive this gift too. It's a very serious thing. You cannot take a dog and a blind person and just take them out on the street like that, especially the Greek one. If the guide dog turns, why is it turning? Because it found an obstacle, or because it needs to go to the bathroom, you know? So we have to be in constant communication. In my case, I was in a bus and the bus driver brought the police because I was with the dog. My dream is that Lara Guide-Dog School that we created will be financially sustainable and autonomous, and that the Greek society will eventually learn to respond to our needs. Blind people can do anything they wish if they are properly trained and treated with respect.